So good morning students. Today we are going to see introduction about Python. Python gives the programmer a wide variety of career paths to choose from. Python is an open source platform and a programming language where you can use this particular language for any kind of web programming, data science works, and artificial intelligence, and any specific scientific applications. If you are good in, you can work with Python. Learning Python allows any kind of programmer to focus on solving problems rather than focusing on syntax. So as I told, when compared to previous languages like C, Java, and whatever you people know, there is more of syntax involved in those languages. But here in Python, we will not concentrate much on the syntax and semantics. Only thing we'll be concentrating on how the flow of the program is going to be. So it's relatively size and simplified language. It gives an edge-to-edge cover over other languages because of the abundance of libraries which is available in the Python. So in Python, what all we'll be covering in the first few chapters is how this Python is used and how we will be giving input and output through variables and what are the decision taking statements used in Python. So as we talk about Python, it is a high-level interpreter language, and it is a scripting language which is developed in 1918. And who is the founder of Python is Guido van Rossum. He founded this particular language in National Research Institute, where he worked in Netherlands. The initial version of Python was published in the year 1991, and the version was called as 1.0. Python 2.0, the next version was released in the year 2000, and which had a prevalent revisions till 2008. At the time, the development team made the decision to release the version of Python 3.0 with further modifications with the bugs what they have found in 2.0, with the contained few relatively small and significant changes. They were not backward compatible with 2.0. So Python 2 and 3 are almost very similar, and some of the features Python 3 have been backprobbed at Python 2, but in general they remain quite compatible. Both Python 2 and 3 have continued and maintained its development in the release updates for both. Python is still maintained by code development team at the institute, and Guido is still in charge of this Python development. So coming to the why should we learn Python? So Python you should learn to develop any kind of web applications, software workflows, and if you want to connect with any databases to retrieve your data and to connect with any kind of files you want to process, and if you want to do any kind of mathematical calculations, you should be doing with Python. Okay. So what is there in Python? As I told you people, Python is very much comfortable with any kind of operating system and any platforms like Windows, Macs, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. So as I told, Python is almost like a English-like language. So people does not need to follow any kind of syntax to for the programmers to be written. Only fewer lines of programs other than like other programming languages will satisfy the task what you are aimed at. So Python runs on any interpreter systems. That means the coding has to be executed as soon as it is written. That means the prototyping is very simple here. So what are the things you should know about before learning Python is the recent version of Python is Python 3. However, as I told, Python 2 does not have much syntax or semantic difference because the updates has happened only at the security parts. But both Python 2 and 3 is quite very simple. So what is Python when compared to other programming languages? So Python was designed mainly for readability and had some similarities between English languages and with some fluency in mathematics. So Python had new lines to create a command as opposed to other programming languages which often uses semicolons and parentheses. Python relies on indentation using white spaces to define scope of a variable such as scope of the loops, functions, and classes, where other programming languages will be mostly concentrating on flower brackets. We should be properly matching the flower brackets to avoid errors, but here it is taken care by the indentation. So thank you, students.